Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi, and thank you for your interest in our Skoda Kodiaq. This one a beautiful Kodiaq SEL with the optional Triglav wheels, which would normally adorn the higher end Kodiaq edition. Electric tailgate on these cars, front and rear sensors. This is the 7-seater with the seats folded down, lots of boot space as you can see. Good space for hiding things underneath the variable boot floor. Inside the car we've got good leg room and headroom and shoulder room for rear seat passengers, and these are the rear seats in the half leather and Alcantara as standard on the SEL. Keyless entry and keyless start on these cars, auto lights, auto wipers, lots of automation in fact. Very low mileage on this particular car. Let's just start her up. 2,917 miles at the moment. The 9.2 inch all glass infotainment screen. Dual control air conditioning with heated front seats. 7-speed DSG gearbox with automatic handbrake. So a really nice car. Ticking over in the background as you can see, very, very quiet. If you'd like to know more about this car, please phone us 020 8686 8844. or email us and we'll send you more details. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.